Hello guys, welcome back with a new recipe. In the last video we saw how to make orange and carrot juice. But many of you asked what to do with the leftover fiber that we obtained after straining out the juice. So today we will be preparing orange and carrot halwa with the leftover fiber of the juice. So let's begin. First, let's take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of ghee into it. After that, let's take the leftover fiber of the orange and carrot juice and put it into the pan. Mix it continuously in the pan. Make sure to cook it for about 5 minutes so that it leaves the moisture and the rawness. Keep mixing it continuously. This fiber contains rich dietary fiber, antioxidants, and regulates the blood sugar. Most people throw away the rich nutrient fiber, but with a little creativity, you can turn it into a dessert. So, after cooking for about 5 minutes, let's add 1 cup of milk into the pan. Keep mixing it continuously. Cook it for about 3 minutes. Some of the nutritional fact of this dish is that the orange pulp contains vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant and great for boosting the immunity. So let's add sugar into our pan. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well. Now if we talk about the benefits of carrot pulp, it is rich in vitamin A and is good for your eyesight, skin health and overall immunity. Cook the halwa for about 3 minutes. Now, at this point, you can add some roasted nuts into the halwa for enhancing its taste. Here, I have taken some roasted cashew nut. You can also take any other nuts as you prefer. Keep mixing it continuously and cook it for about 2 minutes. So this was a simple way of preparing one of the most nutritional benefit halwa. I guess this is the best way to have a bowl full of fibers. This is one of the best zero waste recipes. For all the health freakers, I hope you like this recipe. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.